I had acne for many years, and I was thankfully able to heal it by making healthy lifestyle changes. But because of my history with acne, I learned the importance of staying on top of my skincare routine and using a preventative approach. One way I do this is by applying a detox face mask once a week. So in this video, I'll be sharing a very simple charcoal face mask recipe. Activated charcoal is known for its ability to bind with toxins, which is why it's a popular ingredient in many skincare products. It's believed to help clear out pores by drawing the impurities to the surface of the skin. Loose activated charcoal can get a little bit messy, so I prefer to use it in capsule form. For this recipe, I only use 2 ingredients: activated charcoal and raw honey. So all I do is empty the powder from the capsule into a small bowl. I add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and I mix it very carefully so the powder doesn't go everywhere. Activated charcoal can leave the skin feeling a little bit dry, so that's why I like to combine it with honey, which is very moisturizing. I make sure my skin is completely clean, and then I apply a thin layer of this all over my face. If you've never used activated charcoal before, I do recommend testing a small area first to see how your skin reacts, especially if you have sensitive skin. It's best not to overdo detox face masks like this one, so I recommend using them only once a week. I leave this mask on for a maximum of 10 minutes, and then I rinse it off with warm water. I follow up with a layer of shea butter, which is very nourishing and moisturizing. If you're looking for more natural skin and hair care recipes, I'll have a playlist linked here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.